Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So we are having euro dollar buy setup is just simply sitting up over there. But before we going to look at that, if anyone want to join us, just simply head to the wave-trader.com, check the membership levels. Okay, now let's head to the euro dollar. So this is the euro dollar. We were expecting, euro dollar to bounce off after the CPI report. Okay, now let's look at this quickly, and then we're going to talk about what we can expect from the euro now. All right, or these areas. So what you are simply looking for, okay, price already bounced from this area. You are only expecting it to sharp breakup. Okay, the sharp breakup comes, then continue to keep pushing more higher. So I wouldn't suggest you to chase that area. Okay, if it goes, you already, you're supposed to be into the trade from these areas. So if you can get into this area, you have to be really good on lower time frame to chase that trade. Okay, so what you are watching, in case if you don't see, drop if inflation is going to pick up, then simply you are watching price action at this area and this one more leg lower or all the way back this low. So we still may see another leg higher. So this is for short term only. Okay, but we are expecting a bigger daily correction.
Okay, so we had that
if you remember.
So the way which we were expecting, we are having that drop after the CPI numbers. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at the recent update what we were expecting. Okay, this is the recent updated area.
One more leg lower possibly after the CPI number. After that leg is just simply happening over there. So there is still a chance that the euro still can keep dragging lower all the way back to this area. All right, and then we may see some buying over there for short term like this. Okay, and go all the way back.
Now this might be a start for the big reversal. Okay, this might be a start. Price already tested within these areas. Okay, so not exactly this low, but somewhere there and bounce back. It's trying to bounce back. So this might be a start for the big move to the upside. So that high. So what you are actually looking for, you are not looking this move. Okay, you are not looking. You should be into that trade from that high. Okay, after the CPI numbers, you should be into that. You shouldn't chase this trade from this area. So what you are looking, basically, you are trying to counter the move for short term. All right, so once price is going to tag that, you are looking for short term move, bounce off and go back. First of all, counter short term counter move, and if it bounce off very aggressively, then go all the way back to this high. Yeah, and looking for this to go all the way back to that high. So this is the move first you are looking for as shown. Okay, so price is bouncing, but this is the move. This is the trade. Okay, first you are looking for, and then drop. Yeah, that's what you're looking for, short term counter trend move. And if it's growing, then you are looking to grow all the way back to this area. And if it's even going beyond this, then keep growing all the way back to that high, and then again from sell from this area. All right, if you don't see that counter trend move, okay, and euro keeps dragging lower, so I would suggest you to just stay away. Don't trade this move. Okay, let that go. You already missed that move from there. We were expecting euro to drop, specifically after the drop we had on pound. So we were expecting euro to drop because euro was holding the trend, and this trend was just trying to emerge. Okay, now let's look at the update now, right? So it had the forward moving average. Let's look at the update. There is the up, euro dollar chart. Okay, so this might be a start for our next bullish wave. All right, so we may be into the next bullish run. All right, this might be a start for this next bullish wave to the back to the top. But if the trade right now, you're not looking it to go all the way, but right now you are targeting this move. Okay, this move up to this area or this, and in case if it keeps pushing more higher, then you are looking it to continue to keep pushing more higher all the way back to that top or new high. All right, so if I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame, I have already shown that move, that trade in the previous video analysis, but now we are having that some confirmations are just appearing over there that the euro is ready to bounce back, and dollar has lost some strength, specifically against the pound after the CPI data in the UK. The CPI came strong, which is a sign that the dollar may get weaker, right, across the market. So the trade you are looking right now is you're watching these areas, right? So if it slightly goes lower, still you are watching, and this is the trade you are looking it to go back up all the way. And in case if the move is going to be strong, looking to continue to keep pushing more higher all the way up to the previous top. I'm not anticipating this to break down and continue to keep dragging lower. In case if it does, then we'll see that, okay, what we can expect. So the chart you are watching basically is the pound. All right, so the pound, which is just telling you that the strength we are going to see on euro is ahead. Okay, so we got the sell-off on the pound after the CPI data. Pound tested at a low, and then bounced off. All right, bounced off and testing these areas, this sideways flat formation. Right, and a pound can break out and continue to keep pushing more higher all the way back to the previous daily top. All right, or pound can still drag. So we are not, looking that trade at the moment. We are not looking at the pound at the moment at the current price. Okay, we are, the trade you are looking is this move. Okay, this move, so this to go higher all the way back to that top, and in best case scenario continue to keep pushing more higher. All right, so hope that makes sense, and hope that you got the idea that where is the trade right now. So the trade is just simply setting up on the euro, and the trade is very much similar like the move which we are having on pound. All right, so these are the lows of this 4-hour time frame. These are the highs, these are the lows on the, this is the move which is just happening over there. Okay, so these are the lows already on the euro and highs on the 4-hour time frame. Price was just running within this sideways market, and you are looking this to also give you a similar kind of move, the move which you are already having on the pound. All right, the trade is very much clear over there, and you are looking this to hold that low and go back up. That's the trade you are looking for. Okay, so thank you.